Alright guys, I'm sorry, the last video I did I forgot to show you guys how to save your work, how to save it as PNG and how to save it as PDF. I'm gonna do that now, okay? Sorry about that. Alright, here it is. So you go to the file. After you've created this, you go to the file. You don't want to, so you want to save it as PDF. But before you do that, you can save it as Inkscape SVG file. This way you can come back and change things. You can remove things, you can add things, you can change the color of your text or change the color of the stitches. You can do that if you save it on SVG Inkscape. Okay, so if you want to do that, that's where you do it. If you want to save it as your PDF, you click on this drop down and you go to PDF right here, and now you can put whatever name you're going to put. I'm just going to put pinkish pinkish planner. All right, then you save that. Leave everything as is. All right, make sure this is checked to convert text to path and 300 dpi. It's very good, so click OK. All right, now if you want to save it as PNG, let's go down here. So you select everything. What I did there was I just hit the minus button to make it smaller, and you can go here and merge everything. Okay, just click on merge. All right, and go to export PNG and go to select. Don't leave it at custom. If you leave it at custom, your work will be messed up. Okay, it will save really bad. So leave it, put it on selection. Okay, and then go to 200 dpi is fine. Let's say you want to go 300 and it will be too big, like the file will be big. So 200 is fine. Okay, so you can save it wherever you choose to. Okay, let's see. Oh, here we go. All right, let's go and save it here. I'll call it pink planner and click on that, and you just hit export. Okay, and just wait for it to export to where you saved it, and you should be good to go. Alright guys, that's it. Alright, the next video I'm gonna do will be the inside of it, you know, the place you can type in or put in your personal profile. So that will be the next video I'm gonna do. Alright guys, have a nice day and God bless. Bye bye.